Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2486th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. You can always find me here at livewithoscar.com if you want to join me. Traders, this video coming at you on a Thursday afternoon for trading, Thursday night through Friday, October 28th, 2022. So, in last night's video, I basically depicted this chart right here and said, look, we're running into a wall. It is the same spot that has given this market trouble every time it gets near this average. Every time something happens. Right? Pointed this out to you in last night's video. And said we're here. At the same time, it looks like we're at the top of a channel. And then I went further to say that channel is likely a big bear flag. So I did this in a live stream for you yesterday. And then I did a video last night for YouTube. Then we did another live stream today. And as it turns out, this is exactly what's going on. As you know, if you were paying attention, the market cracked pretty hard right after the 4 p.m. close, and we started getting some reporting from companies, and boom, down we went. So, the bad juju that started in the transportation average at the 200 bar moving average eventually hit the market down to the next average, which works really well now, and we failed at that average. This I am calling my chart masterpiece, kids. And this is chart masterpiece. What a great chart this is. We've been using it the last few days, and it proved to work out just right. So there was a gap on the way down, right? When the market started to come down, they came dropping down quickly. Boom. Left a gap wide open. Just kept dropping. Left another gap. Well, since then, of course, we filled that gap right away. And as of Wednesday's bar, we filled this gap. So the gaps are filled. And we ran into that resistance, and we ran into the average in the same spot. And that says it is time for the market to go down. The OMNI went neutral as of Thursday, and now looks bearish for trading on Friday. So let's go look at what happened after the close. This only records up to the 4 p.m. close. It's the transportation average, which closes with the stock market. Let's go look at the S&P now, because that stayed open. The S&P did exactly what we had expected at the top of this trend channel. In fact, I said the words loud and clear in 2 videos in a row that I did not like it here, and I do not like it here. I even said I didn't like it here as well when we were doing our analysis. I definitely didn't like it here, and last night I told you I didn't like it here, and look what happened. So now we're on our way down. This isn't to prove anything about me. I am just reading charts. You can do this. Anyone can do this. Nothing special about me personally. The charts told me to tell you that I didn't like it here, so I repeated what the chart said, and the market did go down. Thank you to technical analysis. That worked. And now we've got a red OMNI for trading E-mini S&P on Friday. So analysis firing on all 8 cylinders, and the likelihood is because we keep going from the top to the bottom, to the top to the bottom, the likelihood is this could be in our future next, all the way down here. Now, this is absolutely, positively, 1,000% being controlled by this, the almighty dollar. This is all about the almighty dollar. In last night's video, I absolutely was able to show you that 5 weeks ago, the dollar topped out, and watch this. 5 weeks ago, the bottom got put in the Dow, or the S&P, I should say. Right? Let's count them together. Look, I'll move this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hit the 200 bar moving average 5 weeks ago, and the dollar started to go up. Let's go back to this one. We hit the top of the market. Oh, I'm sorry, we're going to a weekly. So 5 weeks ago, we put, let me just show that to you. Sorry, kids. 5 weeks ago, we hit the 200 bar moving average. And exactly that much time ago, the dollar put in its high. Boom. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. When the dollar put its high in, the S&P put its low in. Boom. Right there 5 weeks ago. So, now the S&P has rallied up. And going back to that almighty dollar, the dollar has come back down. Now the dollar is in a spot where it usually holds, and then we'll head back up. And the S&P is in a spot where it usually fails and wants to go back down. Are you getting the picture out there, kids? Just wanted to show you my observation of what's going on out there. So it's all about the almighty dollar. If this cracks, the S&P will go back up. If this holds and starts to go up like this, the S&P is going to go down. So if you start getting bars, even though they should be green, that look like this, and just to make the visual work for us, let's make them green. If we start getting these, there's a very good shot. Now, these didn't happen yet, right? These are make-believe bars. But this support, if it holds, and we start putting in bars that look like this on the dollar for the next few weeks, you will get the exact opposite look on the S&P. It'll put in bars like this, and those go back to red, while the dollar puts in green bars. So this is, once again, do not be fooled, this is all about the almighty dollar. If the dollar holds, S&P goes down. If the dollar breaks, S&P will go up. So let the charts tell you what's going to happen. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my videos. Join my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required. And then remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay is to say this to yourselves over and over again. Kids, are you ready? Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my live trading room all day Friday. Good luck to you out there.